Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Thursday. This is a VR to my buddy Bruce over at Fab Creations. This is a VR for his contest, doing a little giveaway. And we're doing another birthday shout out for Mr. Bill Melton, who's no longer with us. I did one of these for Redneck Renegade last week, and then Bruce said he was doing one this week for him. So his birthday is actually tomorrow. So tomorrow? Today the 5th? Yeah, it should be the 5th. Forget what day it was. Yeah, so today is the 4th and tomorrow's the 5th. So doing a little birthday burn for him. You know, Bill is just a real nice guy. Some of you may not know who he is, but you know, you kind of missed out. I feel like I got to the party late, and I just starting to get to know him, and then he got sick, and leukemia took him, which is sad. But you can't go. Tomorrow's not promised, like he's always saying. So tell someone you love them today, because they might not be here tomorrow. And I hear a lot of people saying, "Man, I just wish I had one more day. Wish I had one more day with them, or whatnot." It's like, well, what about today? That one more day could be today. So pick up the phone, give someone a call. All right, let's get to the burn. All right, I got the most excellent Fab Creations stove out. I'll link the description for my video on this. It's a great stove. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little fatwood burn for our buddy Bill. Hopefully I can get a one and done. And then I'll just move the stuff over to the stove. A little bit big, but hey, you know what? I'm going to email Bruce when I get home and ask him how much a manger is and place an order, because I've been wanting one anyway. Alright. Let's see if we can go one and done. Nice. One and done. Sweet. And what's not to love about fatwood? Alright, well, as always, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend coming up. Yeah, so maybe head on over to Bill's channel, wish him a happy birthday, even though he's not with us. And they always say, people can see from where they are, so heaven. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.